Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this watercolor paint set, and Funcils was nice enough to send this over to us. Look at everything that you get right here. You're going to get this nice case right here with all of your watercolors in there. You get the nice palette right here. You get a place right here that you can put your paints on so you can see what they look like before applying them to your paper here. Also comes with this nice bag that this case can go in. And then obviously it has the box too if you want to be able to stow this away even more. Here on the back, it's going to give you everything that you need to know in regards to the colors. You're going to get 36 basic colors, as you can see them right there, 10 iridescent colors. Those look really cool down there. And you are also to get 4 of the neon colors right there are your neon colors. I've been playing around with this just a little bit. As you can see right there, I went ahead and got the black acrylic marker started. In order to get it all started, what you have to do is shake it for about 30 seconds and then apply pressure here up top to bleed off the pressure, and then push down, and then you can get it to work. And it says here that this is for use on rocks, wood, metal, plastic, glass, ceramics, porcelain, and fabric. As you can see, I also used it here on the paper. You're going to get your brushes right here. You're also going to get a kneaded eraser. I remember you used to play with these all the time whenever I was in school. 3 of those brushes right there. You're going to get the watercolor pencil, a little sponge right here, a place to mix some of your colors if you would like to, and then obviously all of your paints right down here. So I'm going to go ahead and try and use this little guy right here, see how well it works. Should have some water in there. Should be good. Make sure, yep, got some water in there. And let's say we go with one of these iridescent colors. Let's go with this one right here and see how well it works. I might have already got too much water on there. I don't know. I don't paint too much and stuff. I'm not really too much of an artsy guy, but they sent this out to me and I felt like getting it, and probably gonna give it to the kids to let them play with it. So let's see how this looks. Oh, that looks really cool. Paint a picture of myself on here. There you go, that's what my head looks like. There's my hair right there. Got me a couple of eyeballs, a nose, and a mouth. All right, really cool. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it right here. Of course, obviously, whenever you're done, you want to be sure and clean this all up so that it lasts a really long time. But I'm gonna go ahead and bypass that here really quick and just show you what this looks like all wrapped up. So this goes back in here like this. This folds down like that. And then you have your little bag right here that you can slide this into. There you go. Oops, forgot to put that in there, this in there. Oh well. And then, I don't know if that'll slide in there too. But yeah, boom, there you go. Really nice set right here from Funcils. Go ahead and check it out.